Let's fix slow loading problem in a Roblox. In the first step, we need to simply press the PS button from the controller and select home. Now press option button on a game and choose close game. This is really important step. Now just go to the settings and select the network. Before this, we need to choose the parental controls. Select the first option, add a default password here and disable PS5 console restrictions. It's really important. Now go up to the network and select the connection status. On the right side, we need to choose the view PlayStation network status. Make sure all the servers are up and running. If not, go to the settings and select the setup internet connection. Press option button from the controller on your internet connection to access the advanced settings and choose DNS settings to manual. So now you can access primary DNS. Add here 8.8.8.8 and to the secondary DNS add 8844. Once done, select OK, complete the reconnection process and then go to the users and accounts. Now other options and choose restore licenses. Select Roblox game and choose restore. This will take around 4 to 5 seconds to complete the process. Now go back to the main settings and go down to save data and game app settings. Select the game presets and from here we need to choose the performance mode option. And from the automatic updates we need to enable these two options. And then just go to home page, press option button on a game and select check for updates. Complete the update process of your game and restart the PS5 and your problem will be fixed.